Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on your Audi key fob. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is pull the key. So you push the little button on the back and pops the key out, or clip, whatever you want to call it. Second, there's another one and it's on top now and it's right there. So you press that down and then you pull ever so gently, and that pulls the battery cover out with the battery. So this takes a CR2032 and it's a little button battery, and I'm going to be using an Energizer 2032, same battery. They just call theirs the 2032. Now, if you're buying an Energizer, you may want to just make sure you pull off the sticker, like so. And then you're going to want to insert it upside down. So the positive is going to be facing the battery cover, like that. So this side's negative, positive's facing the battery cover, or it's upside down. Then you want to just reinsert it the same way that you pulled it out, just like that. And you saw the light blink at the top, and we'll stick the key back in, and this is all ready to go. So you can see the light. And thank you for watching.